Where'd you go? Okay, I think this is already started. So let's open you up again. And there's that. Okay then, so we're back. And last I think the word I said was done. Well, I'm not done. Not even close. Okay, so make a defender, make a attacker, and then after that, our next class is, let's see, what character should I use? Tempting. Tempting. Let's use asterisk and say this now is your, okay, following, let's see, Digimon and all that stuff, you get Mega and you have Ultimate Champion, so let's say, you have Champion, Defender, unless you also have a Champion, Attacker. Now, after that, let's say we have Ultimate. Well, actually, let's do a quick Google search. Make this nice and simple. Of course, they have to do all this stuff to log in. So, do the whole web authentication. Okay. And, let's see, what was I about to do? Digimon. Stupid thing. Okay, so let's do a little research at the same time, and you get fresh and training, rookie, champion, ultimate. Okay, there you go. Bingo. So champion after champion, you get a two, three. Yeah, you can do all this. Alright, let's do this. Do. And then turn that was a squiggly. Okay. Copy that, make my life easy, and you get Ultimate Attacker. Now notice here, this is like saying, I'm going in reverse because I'm saying Mega is here next, then it's Champion, and then it's Ultimate. Well, I don't care. It's my game, it's Jesse's game, it's our game, so yeah. And you keep doing that. After Champion Defender, you get this, and you say Ultimate Defender. Save that. Okay. So now you get medium. You still get that. Now, here's a difference. Before, you had the same number of units, and you get some new abilities. Gained. Range extended. And let's extend you. Range extended, then new abilities. Let's just say that. Abilities. Yeah, so that was fun. This computer, of course, doesn't like me, so I had to do all this extra stuff to get back to this point. Okay, so medium. Medium, you have increased grid again by 3. So you have another 3 columns and such. Now, this is your length times your width, so x times y, in other words. If this is the case, where do you think the 21 goes? Let me tell you, you go 21 here. 20 rows by 21 columns. You're right. It is wrong. I was wrong for a second. Anyways, okay, do that. And then because you want it to not be a square, you make that 23. And you want that to not be a square, so you make that 26. Simply put. So this, actually 25, is perfect. Anyways, okay. So now for medium you get, each player gets 8 attackers and let's see, what did I write down for? Oh, actually, my bad. You get 4. So look, medium you get 6, and let's make this medium you get 6 defenders now. You increased it, and then you're increasing this now. Notice how I have a 3-to-2 ratio, and it's kind of the same here. It's just 2-to-3 or whatever, 4-to-3 anyways. And then, so I just increase that by 2. And then now you have range extended again, and then more abilities. Can't type for my life. Okay. Now you have level 4. And then level 5, and then let's see, level 6, level 6, here's why. Medium, high. Okay, so there's difficulties, and then there's also just, I like to call this level 6 your equivalent to insanity. Insanity, so you have as many as you want, well, so to speak. So this would be your high, and then easy, medium, hard, low, medium, medium, high. You get the idea. This is your in-betweens, you're in between here, kind of. Now, if this was pseudocode, the reason why there's equals is to give you an idea of describing the variable. Describing variable easy, difficulty is this. Now, medium, high, let's do what we did before. We increased the grid by 2, so let's say increase that by 2, increase that by 2. So let's do that again and say it's 27 by 26, I guess. 27 rows by 26 columns. Yeah, that sounds good. And then grid. Each player now gets the same ratio, so 8x and 8. Oh, so yeah, same number of attackers to defenders ratio. Your range is not extended. Actually, yeah, it's right. In the original idea, just get more abilities. Yeah, that's that. Each row, and then now you get range extended. You don't get new abilities. Now we go back to the principle we did before, except here's the thing. Medium, high, since you're getting more and you've extended the range, logically speaking, that grid is not going to be useful. Let's do that and show you what happens. If you think about it, the logic behind each thing, now you need to see what each uses, how much space you need. So X goes this way. Let's just do this. I'm gonna make it, let's see, range. So let's go R, R, and R, 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 R. Okay, so there's that. Actually, wait, what am I thinking? Okay, so there's your, that's how that's done. And let's take all of that. Actually, let's take all of you and just center. Okay, so that, you get the idea. Okay, so now, okay, so now your O looks like this. R, 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 and that's that. Now this is all that you get for difficulty 1. I'll get into that later. Now mobility of your level 2 is this, which really just looks like a bigger X. It's not actually 2 X's when you do it. You combine 2 X's to make it a larger X. That's the idea. So that way it takes up 2 of these. You would essentially go X, and then you move this guy X here. You say, I want to move him forward 1. Then you go, okay, now I take you and I merge. And then you do that, and voila, you've got your X, your level 2 attacker. You unmerge, and that date has been lost, but whatever, you get the idea. Let's quickly give you all that information again. Okay, save that so I don't lose it. Okay, so then this goes, let's see, what did I draw? I said, you gain new abilities. Okay. 2 goes. Okay, so let's say new range goes there, new range goes there, new range goes there, new range goes there. Okay, so your big O goes here. R, 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 R. Okay, so now your defender gets da-da-da-da, you got it. Goes like that, that, like that. How much time do I have left?